Hi! In front of me is Realme GT NEO 3T, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to open Calendar app. Then tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, you can tap over here twice to create your event, or select this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then choose event from the list. Now adjust it however you need to. Over here, for example, you can add a title. Then click on events, select one of your email addresses or one of those sections, in my case family, and click on the starting hour. Now set it up however you wish to and save your changes by choosing OK. You can also set up ending one. If you don't want to do that, by tapping on this switcher next to all day, you can disable this feature completely. Now click on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year. You can also choose Custom and manage it. When you're ready, click on Done at the top right corner. If you change your mind, you can always click on the same section and choose Does Not Repeat. Now scroll down, add people, videos, and even choose Add Location. In this pop-up, you need to choose one of those options, type in an address and click on the correct result. Now set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event, or choose Custom and manage this custom notification pop-up however you wish to. I will go with 5 days before. Click on Done, scroll all the way down and change color. Maybe peacock. Now take some notes, add attachments, and finally, save your event by choosing Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. In order to edit it, click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Then make your changes, discard them by choosing this X icon at the top left corner and choosing Discard, or save them by clicking Save. If you want to get rid of your event, click on it again. This time you need to choose those 3 dots at the top right corner and choose Delete from the list. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!